Hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, alright? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy life, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, I hope you guys have had a great weekend. I hope you're refreshed, energized, and ready for this week and ready for this trading week. Okay, so give me a quick second, guys. I'm gonna quickly share my screen with you all just because we don't have too much time for market open. 1 second. Okay. Alright, so I reckon you guys can see my screen now. So what I'm looking at, alright, this is gold. This is gold. I'm looking for sells down here. Below our 4-8 support. We are coming into some demand right there. Okay, and we're coming into some higher time frame supply up there. Okay, so we have some demand and supply sitting at these areas. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. Alright, a lot of bearish divergence, you guys. I'll get to what divergence is in a minute for the ones that don't know it. But the ones that do, y'all should be spotting bearish divergence in this market right now, okay? So it's not a market that I'd want to be longing at the moment. Let's take a look at the indices. Okay, I like this BOS on BOS as break of structure. For the ones that don't know, I like this break of structure on the dirty. We could maybe come down to get that. I'm gonna have it there, however. And we have the break of our bullish structure right up there. Okay, boom. Cut some from here. Okay, got a nice whole number, 33,400. Maybe that can be our TP. Okay, and then we have the buys and sells marked up for nasty over here as well. Okay, so we've got about 2 minutes to market open. My apologies, you guys. I was a little late today. I was a little caught up, but we're here now. So pick the one that you guys want to trade. All right, pick one and trade that. Don't try to trade all three of them simultaneously back to back. That's a recipe to disaster, you guys. Literally. I've been trading for as long as I have. Cash has been trading for as long as she is. And trust me, we pick one. We trade one setup. Try to nail that one setup. Try to look to get into multiple positions. Layer up your positions on one setup. That's how you're going to be making money in these markets. Okay, straight up. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stay away from gold for market open. All right, it's not looking the best to me. I like nasty and I like the indices better. Personally, I think I'm gonna be looking at the dirty. I like the dirty. I like the way it's playing right now. All right, let's take a look at beautiful. Okay, let's go EMAs. 30 seconds to go, you guys, okay? 30 seconds to go. You know what? I'm going to test out a little bit of a feeler for the sells on the dirty, okay? This could completely reverse on me. I'm going to have my stop loss up in this area. It's going to be $1, so it's not going to be too much for me. But I am going to be on a little bit of a feeler, okay? So we have market open in the next 5 seconds, you guys. Let's have a good one. All right, so this is market open. They're taking it bullish. They're taking it bullish. Look at that. Okay, let's see how they react up there. I'm in on a feeler. I'm going to have my stop loss up over here. All right, let's watch. Let's watch. Okay, maybe we get rejected. Maybe we start a push down. If not, we're going to break past here and we're going to start looking for the buys. Okay, so I would recommend you guys that if you're in on these small little dirty feelers with me, have a hard stop loss, okay, so that you don't have to look at closing a trade and then opening a trade, okay, because if this pushes above our daily and closes up there, we're definitely getting the bullish move, okay, so just keep that in mind. I'm gonna have a hard stop loss set over here. Look at nasty. All right, we're attempting to maybe come into nasty. Watch out for that, nasty traders. Let's take a look at gold. Not doing much. Let's have a little bit of an alert on gold. Maybe somewhere in that region when it's about to hit Y. Okay, I have no idea what's happening, but look at that. Nasty is attempting, okay? Alright, watch for Goldie, watch for Goldie. I don't know what the fuck is going on. This is due to calculations being based on the linear scale. Okay. Alright, so they're picking up support, you guys, and look at this. They're still trending bullish, okay? So if I had to draw a trend line, we're testing the trend line right now, right? You see, if I had to draw this up as a trend line, that's what's being tested right now. As long as we hold on to that, maybe the sells could still look good. Goldie. All right, so anyone trading gold, that's your impulsive move right there, okay? That's a fat fucking candle on gold, you guys. We should have been trading gold. Right, I'm still liking the rejection coming in. It's starting to look good for sure. Okay, solid wick. Alright, so right in around this area, I got in on another feeler for the sells, you guys, as I started to see that wick come in. Okay, now let's see if they want to break that, alright? Y'all know what demand means. Demand means that we have buyers that are sitting in this area. Okay, so like we saw it here right now, price came down, buyers pushed it right back up, maybe making a little bit of a double bottom to either fake the retail in or they could actually be making it. Okay, now only time will tell what it's really going to do, and we just need to let price close in our box. It's that simple, okay? No impulsive moves so far on Goldie, on the dirty, my bad. Right, look at that. Nasdaq's pushing in with some, sorry, my bad. Gold is pushing in with some nice little volume to the downside. Let's see, I'm going to wait for this candle to close, okay? If we close in our box, then maybe I'm going to try and get in on a retest rejection if this move wants to give it to us, okay? Okay, is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone in on anything? Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Anyone in on anything? Look at that. Nasty is starting to go bullish. Okay, and it's looking like one of those days, you guys. These are not correlated today, okay? Oh, look at that. Goldie trying to as well. Why the fuck am I waiting on the dirty when these moves are playing out? Nasty, babe. The buys are starting to kick in. Wait for price to close, okay? Don't get trapped in on this, okay? So wait for price to close in, or that's your impulsive move. Who's trading Nasdaq? Look at that. Nasty is pushing. Nasty is coming in. All right. Nasdaq, there you go. Okay, come on, you guys. Listen, last 30 seconds. This could reverse, but if not, you should have been in on a feeler position right now, okay? That's if you're trading Nasdaq. That's your feeler, and I'm not going to tell you where you guys need to get in with your bigger positions. It is your account, and it's not my responsibility in all honesty, so please be careful. But the ones that know, y'all know. Wait for the retest and the rejection to get in on your fat ones, okay? Look at that. Gold went down as well. Fucking hell, the one I was looking at, that's the one that didn't push through. Okay, that's a retest. Watch for the retest and the rejection. Let's take a look at Goldie as well. Goldie is having a little bit of a retest as well, you guys. Watch for that retest, rejection, and the break of previous structure, okay? Look at that. They've made it a freaking double bottom, you guys. Okay, so the sells didn't want to come in. This has become a nice solid double bottom. We have a little bit of supply kicking in over here, so we may have a third leg that could be coming in over here. I'm watching Nasdaq right now. Okay, rejection. Gold, rejection. Okay, the ones trading gold. This is starting to look good. We've got news in the next 9 minutes, right? We've got news coming in the next 9 minutes. We may get a little bit of a move. There's a good possibility that these sells that we were looking for could also come in there, okay? So I'm watching this. I'm trigger finger on this one, you guys. All right, and I'm in on Nasdaq. I just got in on Nasdaq, and I'm running by about 3-4 pips right now. Okay, I'm up by 3 pips. 4 pips. All right, that's $1,200 for me. 5 pips, 6 pips. Let's get it. Let's hit that 10 pip mark on Nasty. Come on. Come on, all right? I'm going to put myself in a break-even position, you guys. I'm running by about 2,000. There you go. All right, 2,000. Come on. 2,600. Give me my 10 pips at 3K, and I'm going to take it and walk away a happy man. All right, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay, I'm in a risk-free trade, you guys. I'm in a risk-free trade. If this wants to go in my favor, it's going to go in my favor. If not, I'm just going to get stopped out of break-even, and that's fine. Okay, I'm still running by about 3 pips, 3-4 pips. Okay, I may get stopped out. Well, not yet though, alright? You guys see how I constantly try and put myself in this risk-free position? This is what you guys need to be doing. Alright, this is how you're going to sustain in these markets. The more you find yourself in this risk-free spot, the less you're going to find your heart racing and you're losing your shit when trades go against you. I got stopped out on break-even. Alright guys, I got stopped out on break-even for this one. It's all good. It's okay. For me, a break-even trade's a good trade. But look at the dirty now pushing in. Alright, Nas W. Good, good. Oh my fucking... Did you guys see that flick? Did you see that? Who saw that? Did you guys see what just happened on the dirty? That was... I'm not... That doesn't look good to me, you guys. That doesn't look good to me. And now, all of a sudden, the buyers are stepping in. When that little dirty flick happened, not cool. Not cool, okay? But they're trying. Alright, so let's see if they want to close this candle, have a retest and a rejection. I got stopped out at break even. I was up by... I made a conscious decision of not pulling out about 8 pips on this move, which is close to $2,500 for me, and I'm fine by that. Okay? Look at the fucking dirty soaring high, you guys. Anyone trading the dirty right now? Anyone in on the dirty? Oh, fucking hell. Look at that. Look at that. That's not stopping, you guys. That's a fat fucking candle on my MetaTrader. It's intense. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's crazy. It's crazy for real. Okay, last 30 seconds. Let's see if we break that high. I may just get in. I don't know. Okay. I'm watching it though. I'm watching it real close. Now you'll need to realize if this candle does close up here, you're going to have a retest, maybe a rejection, and that's when it'll continue to push up if it wants to push up. Okay, if you guys are not comfortable trading right now, by the way, I got in on this, okay? I'm running by about 3 pips, right? 3 pips right now. Let's see if they want to break that high. Nope, not as yet. Rejection. Okay, they're going to probably come down to test half this candle anyway. Alright, so if you're in with your feelers or your Corollas over here, that's all good. But you don't want to be in with a bigger position than that, okay? It wouldn't make sense. Respect the strategy. You don't want to get in with your Lambos not till pretty much now. All right, and if you missed it, you missed it. We're super close to news as well, okay? You guys, if y'all don't feel comfortable taking these trades now, don't. Just watch what we do and sit on the sidelines, okay? That's not a bad thing. All right, so the buys definitely look enticing because of this candle. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But even if you're gonna be getting in on the buys, you'll need to make sure that it's gonna be a quick 5 pip, 10 pip sort of a move. You're way too close to news right now. Okay? We could absolutely get the pop, but don't be greedy. All right? If we happen to break it with momentum. I'm watching it really freaking close right now. All right, so my Corolla is still running by about 3 pips, 4 pips, ranging. If we happen to break that, come on. Okay, I'm in, you guys. I'm in. Who's in with me? And I'm up. I'm up by about 9 pips, 10 pips. There you go. All right, I'm up by 4,500 on this. Still pushing 4,800. There you go. Boom. 5,400 on this. I'm going to change this to break even again real quick. 4. Beautiful freaking move, you guys. 5,400. 6,000. I just hit 20 pips on this. 20 pips and fucking counting. All right, you know what? I just pulled out freaking 5,700 from this trade. I'm happy. I'm not complaining. All right. Who caught the break and the retest of the dirty with me? That was beautiful. In on what? It looks like you're new here, buddy. In on this. In on the dirty. And that's NASDAQ. Okay. If you haven't seen the Forex Academy videos yet, go ahead and watch those because that's what will put you up to speed with what we do here, right? Okay, gold push right back up. Right back up. Let's see if we want to break past there and maybe go there on the news release, which is going to happen in the next 2 minutes. Cut, textbook cut. By the way, great job, man. I just have to absolutely give you a shout out, brother. Great fucking job. I kid you not. I happen to see the lovely videos you made, and I even told Millzone. But good stuff, man. So happy you've joined us with what we're doing here. Appreciate you, brother. Don't take shortcuts on the videos. If you don't understand what's happening, time to watch them again. Absolutely. Guys, listen, we've tried to make these videos as small and to the point as we possibly can, okay? Because Dirty's still pushing. Oh, God! Why did I pull out? Why did I pull out? Even though pulling out's the safe thing to do, alright, guys? Always pull out. But take your fucking profits. That's all you'll need to do, okay? Take your profits and just pull out. I have my wife giving me the dirty look right now. She's like, what are you talking about? But they're still fucking soaring high, okay? It's all good. It's all good. Let them push. I'm not complaining. I caught 20 pips on this move, which is 10 more than I was looking for. All right? And this is 5,700 that my account didn't have before I started this session, okay? I'm not complaining, even though this is a very, very, very chunky move. Just these 2 candles. This is a 93 pip move, you guys. 93 pips. That's pretty intense. Okay. Continuations for NASDAQ on news in the next 20 seconds. If we happen to start breaking these highs again, it's looking good. Okay. And on the dirty. Let's see. Maybe we break those highs. We're definitely coming into some solid resistance over here. But they could just start going boop, 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 and come back down. Okay, so let's see. All right, so the news is worse than expected. So we have negative news, S&P. Okay, negative news. All right, let's also take a quick look at the DXY. Let's see how the DXY is reacting to our negative. Fucking hell. Okay. As expected, fuck, we're critical on the dollar, you guys. They should be picking up some demand from here, but very, very critical. We still have lows to test, okay? We still have lows to test. Not saying that we're going to test them out, but negative news, it's a possibility. We have another folder releasing, right, babe? In how much time? 15 minutes? Okay, we have another folder that's releasing in 15 minutes. So we may have like pretty much mixed news right now. Look at that. Okay, so the DXY is tanking. The dirty is starting to push. Break that high. You're in for another 10, 15 pips, okay? Boring gold. Gold will have its move, man. Gold will have its move. Give it another 15. For the Ali swap, I'm pretty sure gold will have its move, okay? But you have that. Let's take a look. That's it, man. The DXY is tanking, which is why we're seeing gold have a little bit of a push to the upside. But, like I said, that's the level, okay? We're coming to a psychological, well, 100's still a bit away, but we're coming to our give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay, 102, psychological 102-ish. Let's see if we want to respect that area, okay? And if we start to see a tank down, maybe come and test this area, there's a good chance we start seeing gold possibly get into our buys up there. Okay, so the dirty is still soaring high. Who's in on the dirty, alright? I'm not trading this anymore, but how many of you freaking guys and gals are in on these nasty dirty buys? Lovely, lovely. Look at, I told you guys, the Dow Jones was the move, even though the freaking analysis was bearish, and I still stand by that. I still believe price action needs to push us bearish, but that's the thing, guys. Being technical traders is not looking at a pattern or looking at price action and going like, all right, if the markets are going to go long, I'm going to long. It's not that, okay? But being a technical trader basically means being ready for these markets to go either way, because none of us have a magic ball in front of us. Okay, these trades, these setups, it's just all from our past experience. Watch for nasty. Cash, watch for nasty. Okay, these are just from our past experiences, you guys. We've traded these setups multiple times before this, which is why we sort of anticipate that it could happen. Break that high on nasty, you're pushing up to the daily, okay? So we're ready for buys and sells, you guys. Find someone who's going to do this for y'all for fucking free. This is what we do here at Forex Trading every single day. Most of the time, twice a day, you guys. We're here to make you guys money. We're not just making our own money, but we're here to teach you guys, give y'all our analysis, our setups, and educate y'all about these markets. All right? Nasty making higher highs. Whoever's trading, nasty. Higher highs, you guys. Higher fucking highs, all right? This is supposed to be a bearish market, but there are times like this when it's not going to respect here, okay? And this is one of those times. We're ready for it. Okay, beautifully caught support from our demand zone. Beautifully caught support from our demand right there. And now we're pushing to the upside. Very, very, very bullish. I'm guessing this is still tanking. That's what I thought, okay? So the dollar is still tanking. The indices are pushing up. Gold, it's picking up support, okay? Very, very well. Sorry, you guys. Zoe's going crazy. Every time someone's on the door. Pips, relax. We adopted a new dog, by the way, you guys, and you know what we named him? We named him Pips. We named him Pips. W on nasty. Cheers. Thank you, Camper. Pippy boy. Yep. We named him Pips. Stop. Okay. Beautiful moves on the dirty. Beautiful moves on nasty. I love it. Okay, now continuation. Are we going to get a freaking continuation? Okay, a little bit of a retest coming in. Again, they could test out half of that. Push back up. Boom. They're fucking bullish, babe. That's what's happening. Alright, so listen. You guys don't see me complaining, neither do you all see me chasing, right? I was expecting 10, I made 20, and the move is for almost 150. Okay? Pulling out too early, pulling out too... There's definitely something as pulling out too late, but there's nothing as pulling out too early, okay? Listen, you filthy minds, get your head straight, all right? I'm seriously talking to y'all. This is important, okay? Y'all wanna make sure to pull out in time, okay? You'd rather make lower profits than risk your big ass trade and just have it go against you and wreck your account. Okay, straight up. Take what's yours. Take 10 pips. Aim for 10 pips. If you get 20, take it, and don't cry if you get a 150 pip move. All right, look at me right now. I'm still sitting a happy man. I'm talking with y'all. We're chilling. I'm trading. If I get another trade, it's all good. If I don't get a trade, I'm fine because I've still made 5 grand today, and that's all I was looking for. Okay. You gotta make sure that pull-out game's strong. Couldn't agree more, JJ. Okay, gold's been choppy. All right, maybe gold gives us a move in the next 8 minutes. But gold's... I wouldn't say choppy. It definitely made its way back up. You guys remember me telling you all, right, that this leg still has to be made. My one-on-ones, are you guys seeing any sort of trend reversal, potential trend reversal patterns play out over here? What are you guys making out of this current situation that's going on with Goldie right now? That's good, my man. Good stuff. All right. What else? Is anyone seeing any sort of patterns that could potentially be playing out over here? Oh, they were still pushing, man. Dirty was the fucking move today, you guys. Dirty was the freaking move. Look at that. Intense. But listen, okay? As quickly as this went up, it could just start to fall back down as well. Okay? So let's be careful. Don't be buying the top. Okay? Let's see if they want to give us a trend continuation pattern, or if they want to give us some indication that the trend wants to continue pushing, okay? Because this is a pretty freaking overbought market as of right now. All right, let's take a look at the early. Okay, so Nasty's having a little bit of a retest. Look at that fucking early candle on Dirty, you guys. It's pretty intense. I want to see W's in the chat, okay? How many of y'all caught these moves? Dirty was textbook. Nasty gave a nice move. Goldie did pretty much. It didn't give us a Lambo entry, but it gave us a good little move over here. We're coming down to make our second leg. But how many of you guys? I want to see W's in the freaking chat. That's what we spoke about, right? You see how they're picking up demand from this low. So now, let's see if they want to break past this low and continue to push down. If this happens, gold will have that continuation back to the upside, okay? I'm going to stick with this entry point for Goldie again, in case they want to come down bearish. Alright, because again, gold's not respecting this for now. It seems like a bullish trend reversal pattern. But you know what, guys? They could actually just fuck everything and just get back down here, okay? So if these sells want to kick in again, I'm going to look to get in, okay? Don't be buying that shit on the dirty now, okay? The move's done. Even if it wants to continue, you need to realize that you're chasing. Okay, so we have 5 more minutes to the early swap and another news folder. Let's see if we get a move in the next 5 minutes, you guys. If we do, we're going to take it. If not, I'm going to call it a session. I'm pretty happy with today already. I know a lot of you guys have hit in have hit your targets as well. I legit see only 3 W's. 1, 2, 3, 4 W's. We had just 4 people that made money on this today. That's kind of odd. These are good setups, okay? If y'all are not making money off of these setups, well, maybe you need to reassess forex trading. I'm new and have seen all the videos and still learning. Could you show me a bit on how I use MT4? Buddy, listen, we've put the videos up, and trust me when I say this, there's a lot of content out there on YouTube, okay? YouTube's your best friend. Literally just one YouTube search is going to give you all the information you need. It's really not that complicated. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any specific questions after you've watched these videos, please feel free to come on here and ask me. I will answer them. But doing a sort of a demo is a little hard to get done on the streams. But again, we do that on the one-on-one sessions for people that need a run through for MetaTrader and all of that good stuff. We get all of that done. But on the live sessions, it gets a little hard to do. Okay, so YouTube's your best friend, man. If you watch the videos, just head on to YouTube. There are 2 ways to use it. Let me just give you the basics. There are 2 ways to use it. You can either use it off of your phone or your PC. Out of 100+ people on the one-on-one sessions, I know 50% that like to use it on the phone, and the other 50 that like to use it on the PC. It's just going to be personal preference. It's basically just where you take your trades from. Okay, so you build a broker's account, create a broker's account, and then you link that to MetaTrader, and you place your orders or your trades from MetaTrader. Okay. Plus 1%, good stuff. Good stuff. Will Barney W. Looking on nasty now, it was being slow. And what pips are? Pips are, you see these numbers over here, alright? So, pips is percentage and point, and you see these numbers over here, every whole number changes 1 pip, alright? So, we risk lots on MetaTrader to make pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so every time we have a whole number change over here, for instance, you see 333880 to 33400, how many pips would that be? Just subtract this from this, and that would be your answer. Okay, it's just every whole number changes 1 pip, right? It's that simple. 35 to 45 pips, 35 to 45, 10 pips. If you risk $10 a pip over here, and you have the move from 35 to 45, that's $10 into 10 pips, which is $100. Nas dropping back. Yep. Nasdaq's making its second leg, coming back. I told you guys. Let's see. Okay, do you think I should trade MT4 on my phone or on the PC? You're gonna have to try out both for yourself and see what works, buddy. Again, it's personal preference. Like I said, some people they do it off of their phone, some do it off of their PC. You're gonna have to try out both and see what makes more sense for you. Man, I missed the first 10 minutes of stream. Discord was muted. Oopsie. Nasdaq dropping back. Oh my god, the drop on dirty. Well, we haven't had a drop as yet. We're still trying. Okay, gold's maybe coming into our sell area, you guys. Okay, let's watch for that. Okay, buys up there, sells down here. Nice, beautiful retest, and hopefully our break of divergence coming in right now. Been seeing this divergence for quite some time. Okay, so we have news in the next 10 seconds. Let's see if we get a little bit of a move, okay? If we don't, it's all good. You guys were pretty done for the day anyway, okay? So this is news, and it's worse. It's negative news again, okay? Medium impact. It's an orange folder, but it is negative news. Alright, and ISM is worse than expected again. That's why we're seeing the fucking DXY tank. Alright, and that's why. You see what I mean? The news release, the DXY tanks, and gold has an inverse relation, okay? Now let's see if they respect this. Let's see if they respect this, okay? So this is our demand on the DXY. That's our supply on gold. All right, it is correlated right now. So let's see, okay? This is probably new for you guys. I'm going to try and implement the use of the DXY more into our sessions just because it's nice to know and to see the relation that these securities have, that the different securities have with the dollar, okay? All right, still tanking. Where are we coming into? Right there. Next TP. Right there on the DXY. Okay, they're doing it right now. We get this, and we could be getting into that as well, okay? Indices are still pushing, still soaring high. Okay, maybe the move on the indices are done. Maybe we should start looking at gold, all right, because gold's trying. Okay, look at that. Goldilocks. We're pushing in. Okay, it is only an impulse. Alright, we are picking up some demand. We need to hit that. We need to create a lower low. That's our next TP on the DXY. Okay, let's see. Alright, they're wicking it. Alright, so I'm testing out a little gold buy, okay, just a feeler. Or actually, wait, I am seeing volume. Okay, if I happen to break, I may get in. I may be trigger finger on this, okay? Because this may just be an impulse. If y'all don't feel comfortable, y'all don't have to get in on it, okay? You could just be in on a feeler, wait for price to retest, reject. But I'm running right now, you guys. I'm up. I'm up by about 4 pips right now. Okay, I'm up by about 1,000. I'm going to change this to break even real quick, okay? Wait, 1,500, 1,100, 1983.44, 83.44. I'm in a break even trade, okay? I'm all good, and I'm up by about another 2,500 on fucking gold. All right? 3,000, I hit my 10 pip mark on gold again, but I am in a risk-free trade, so I'm going to ride this out a little. I'm going to ride the momentum of news. All right? 4,700. 4 grand. 5,000. Boom! This is what we fucking do here at Forex Trading. I'm liquidating this position right now. I just pulled out 45.90 on this position. I'm done with fucking gold, you guys. I'm done. Today's been another 10K day for me. My account's happy. I'm happy. My wife's happy. It's all good. All right. This is intense, you guys. This is intense. Who caught gold with me? My wife just messaged me from the other room, and she's like, you know, our neighbors are probably going to come and being too loud. But y'all know me, okay? When I see volume, I lose my shit. All right? It's my turn on, you guys. I'm not even going to lie to y'all straight up, okay? Bro, I've done shit today. Why is that? Why is that, Camper? 1,200 for the day. Cheers, my brother. I'm so happy hearing that. Creeping a little closer to that profit percentage. I love it. I love it. I love it. 15 pips on gold W. All right, you guys. That was my first trade, so I ended with 0.01 and made my first 2. Congratulations, tacos. That calls for a nice taco. All right, that's beautiful, man. Congratulations. Baby steps. It's a way to get started in these markets because there is a learning curve with Forex, okay? And you probably know it by now. Maybe you're new on the streams. It must be your first stream, I'm unsure. But I do not advertise this as a get-rich overnight scheme. I've worked my ass off to have the understanding that I do of these markets today. And I've worked my ass off to be able to make the money that I do today, okay? So there is a learning curve. But $2 in your first trade, sounds great to me, man. Congratulations. I made phase 1 on my MFF. Maybe I can make it past phase 2. Well, don't say maybe, man. Have trust in yourself. Have trust in us, and just keep grinding. Okay, you're gonna do it. I know it. Joining a trade like that, will you enter with like a 0.1 and a feeler is a 0.01. Again, you need to listen. Money management is different for every account. Okay, it depends on your account size, it depends on your style of trading, depends on all of that. Okay, so like I said, Forex Academy, Milzone, we still have that video up, right? I'm sure we do. That's probably the most watched video. Okay, how to trade our setups. Okay, so we show you where to get in with a feeder, where to get in with a Lambo, and where to just sort of how to enter in on our positions, on our buys and our sells, and that's basically the strategy that me and my wife have built over the past 5 years. Okay, so so go ahead and again just watch the video. If one of you guys could either tag it or just tag Forex Academy, I'm sure Tacos will be able to find it. Okay, watch the video a couple of times, man. What to do with our setups? It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Okay, Cash. How many sessions are we? How many intakes do we have for this week? If you could please quickly let me know so that I can let the group know and close this session. Cash, are you here? The feeler has to be 5 to 10% of your big position. Yeah, that's it. Feeler is as tiny. One? All right, listen. She said it. Okay? One spot. We actually had two, I think, but one got taken this morning. So we have one more intake for the personal mentorship program. All right? Y'all know how it is. Ask anyone over here. There are over 110 people. And everyone will tell you how undervalued these sessions are, because we're not doing it for the money. We're doing it to spread the knowledge that we have with you guys and to basically just fast track you guys onto your trading journey. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing the one-on-ones for too much longer, guys. It's a lot of work, and we have a lot of work that's coming up. With Forex, it's not going to be feasible for me or us to keep pushing. So we're gonna put a stop to the one-on-ones. We're finishing off everything that we have right now. We're taking very, very minimal intakes, just to sort of line it up to the time everyone gets done. And it's about 2 more months. Okay, I'm letting you guys know. I'm giving you guys a timeline. I'm gonna be finishing the one-on-ones in round about 6 to 8 weeks. And within those 6 to 8 weeks, we're probably not even going to be having intakes every week. So when you guys hear there's an intake, that's there's an intake, all right? It's just going to be that. I do have a lot of people that message me for them. I'm literally just going according to who messaged me first. So even if you message me today, maybe there's a chance that you guys don't get locked in today, but you guys will be on the wait list. So whenever we have the next, I will get back to you and I will ask you, all right? So message us. Let us know. There is a 5-week wait time. All right. So if you guys get booked in today, you're going to have your session on the 16th of May or the 17th of May, something like that. All right. So there is a wait time. We do have an express package as well. Anyway, if any of you guys are interested, just message Cash or me and we'll have you guys taken care of. Okay. But guys, today was a lovely fucking session. I think we could possibly have a nice little continuation on Goldie. I got my 5 sessions coming up. Awesome. I have 3 sessions left. Yep. No, miss the move. Don't miss the one-on-ones. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All right, just to test. Cram check DM, please. Yes. Okay, buddy. Okay, perfect. If all goes well and you see it hit is when you put in the full 0.1. 0.1 is tiny. Okay, 0.1 is like it's depending on your broker. It's either 10 cents or $1 a pip, which the way we trade scalping these markets, those are usually what we call the feeler positions. But yeah, those will fall under feelers, and you want your Lambos to maybe be about 5x, 10x, really depending on what your style of trading is. I have my last session to go. Can I sign for the waiting list? What do you mean by that, Lenny? Oh, you mean you want to add up more sessions? Okay, look at that. Fuck, this has been very, very bullish, you guys. Very bullish. Whilst Nasty's coming back down. I made $2 from 0.01. I'm lost how much I multiplied. Well, if you made $2 on 10 cents, that makes sense because you went up by 20 pips. So that's 10 cents times 20 pips, which is $2. So I'm guessing your broker is 10 cents. Hi, who do I get in touch with regarding the one-on-one? Ian, you could message me or message Cash. Cash will message you right now, or you message, get it done, okay? And we'll have you guys sorted. Okay, so do we have any questions? Lenny, if that's what you meant, buddy, just message me and we'll work it out, okay? Message me after the session. And again, there is a 6-week wait time, like I said. For the ones that are... So, listen, I have quite a few people at this point that took the 5-session course and they've extended it to another 5. All right, so... again, it depends. You know, some of y'all need 3, some need 5, some need 10, some need more. It's just every trader to trader. It's how you absorb what we provide to y'all, and it's just different for everyone. We don't force a time onto anyone because it's psychology. Everyone's different. Everyone has a different way of perceiving these markets. Everyone has a different style of trading these markets. And what we do is we help y'all find your style. We help y'all not just understand the movements of these markets, but we also help you all to actually trade these markets, because there's a lot of content out there on strategies and all of this that good stuff, on patterns and indicators and whatnot. We don't even use indicators. We use straight up clean price action. How many times did you guys see me pull up the RSI or the EMA here? All right, barely, because we're price action traders. We use support and resistance, and we just read these candles for what they are. That's about it, okay? Okay, Nasdaq is chop. Alright, sounds good, you guys. Listen, I'm going to call it a session. This was awesome. I hope you guys hit your profit targets. We do this as a free service for y'all, okay? And we're going to continue to do this. All we ask for in return, fam, is just some Twitter posts, okay? It's free for you guys to do. We spend all day long to be able to get these streams to you guys, okay? So it would just mean the world to us if you could go on to Twitter and throw on a little post for us, okay? Tag me, Cram FX, Cash FX, Project Whitelist. It doesn't matter if you've made $1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It doesn't matter if you're on a live account or a paper account. All that matters is if you got some value out of this session, then you want to go ahead and put a post for us, okay? We're doing everything organically right now, so it'd just be nice to have you guys help us, just bring some more eyes to what we're doing here. And listen, I keep saying this 100 times, and I'm going to tell it to you again, okay? We're building an army of millionaires, you guys. I truly believe this with everything I've got, and I'm pretty sure by now all of you are convinced as well. I'm building an army of millionaires. It's up to you whether you want to hop right on, do the needful, spend the time, use your brain, and join us, okay? Because the truth is, man, in a couple of months, you're going to be hearing Forex trading every fucking where. Thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. I am going to catch you guys for London tomorrow. Cash FX is going to be streaming London. We have the stream schedule up as well. Make sure to catch us for that. And it should be a pretty good week, okay? We have NFP coming up on Friday as well. So we're just going to start prepping towards that. And I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, all right? So have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, guys. Signing out.